I had a meeting in the morning with the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah ji, and discussed numerous issues regarding the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast, also the region in general. I conveyed to Honorable Home Minister regarding the resolution that was passed to implement the ILP in Meghalaya, which was passed on 19th of December, and he was aware about it. I updated him about it, and I informed him that a delegation from Meghalaya would like to meet him and express the requirement and the desire and the need to implement ILP. And he was very positive, and he told me, yes, I'll meet the delegation, and he will be sending an official information to us most probably right after the Delhi elections are over. So that was the first issue that was taken up. The second issue I mentioned to him was regarding some issues that were pending in the district councils. So I updated him about the status of things in the district councils, whether it's Jayantha Hills, Karo Hills and Khasi Hills. Every district council, there are different issues that are pending there. So I updated him about those issues. We also discussed about the overall law and order situation in the state. We also discussed about different economic development issues. I mentioned to him about the different projects that we're taking up at a large scale, including the projects for the national games, where then I mentioned to him about the Social Justice Ministry's project that is pending with the cabinet, and he assured me that he will take up the matter with Honorable Prime Minister also.